Okay, this morning I just want to show you some things. Someone just paid 1,500 naira for past questions, and she just need ECE. As you can see here, you can see one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8 courses. Now, I give people access to my Google Drive for just 1,000 naira. But this person, because she has no knowledge of Google Drive, she decided to pay 1,005 so that I will download the past question and send to her. Fine. I tried to make things easy for you, but some of you don't want to learn. She sent 1,500. Now let me show you the content of my Google Drive. How many of these past questions are available there? Like this ECE 413. Inside the Google Drive, you will find about 5 semesters, 4 semesters ago. You won't just find one past question. Some people will just sell to you ECE 413, 200 naira. But I decided to make this thing so simple for you. Now, let me show you something. Let me see what I will send to her, how many past questions I will send to her. That's why I'm making this video. I just want you to see something. So that's why you have to adapt to modern technology. Wherever technology takes you, go there, grab the knowledge and work with it. Things will be easier for you. Technology is all about making things easier for people. Let me show you. Let me send some of these courses, then you will see. Documents. ENT 301 GST PED. You see what I'm talking about? One course could be more than just one. If you look at this top, you will see how many past questions I've selected. There are 22 of them already. Out of how many? Is it 7? 7 courses or 8? But now you are seeing 20 something selected. They are from different semesters. Now 30. WhatsApp allows a maximum of 30. So now this one is on ECE 421. That's where we stop. So we are continuing with 422 when next we come back. So send this one first. Yeah. Just look at that. Look at that. The first 30 have gone. So we'll go back and pick the remaining one. ECE 422. Finish with 421. So I'll continue from here. 422. These are from different semesters. GST 201, we picked one, the other one at the other time, and one is here. Then look at the 413. 30 plus how many do we have here? Just look at this. 30 plus 16 is 46 past questions for 1,500 naira. These people, and this person would have had more. If she subscribed with 1,000, it won't expire this semester. By next semester, you will still have access to it free. It's just like 500 a semester. The person will be able to download for the next semester. But now, she paid 1,005. I will give her what she wants, but by next semester, she will still have to pay if she wants to, if she needs another set of past questions. Technology is good. When people are learning, join them and learn. Don't just stay and watch people do everything for you. Don't just stay. Join in the raid. Whatever people are doing, join. Get to it. It will make life easier, especially something like this. I know some of you don't subscribe because you think, how am I sure I will find my past question there? Fine. For instance, m.sc courses might be difficult to find. Sure. But any other course will be there. m.sc might be difficult, to be sincere. But not even all of them, some of them might be difficult to find. But any other one will be there. So subscribe to the past question. It is very good for you, and learn how to use Google Drive. If you don't know how to use it, I have made a video for it, and it's there. The video on how to use my past question store, the Google Drive, is there. You can watch the video and see how to download past questions. It's very easy. Very, very easy. Okay, if you don't even know, let me show you. Let me open my Google Drive and show you. It's very easy. Look at this. Inside my Google Drive, when I give you access, I give people access to this POP and this one, e-exam. I give people access to these two. That's the one they access. So if you want to download, let's say, one of the POPs, you open it. You know how to open a folder. You can just click it twice, touch it twice, or use your mouse on a computer to click twice. It will open. Look at this. It's arranged according to semesters. We have 2019, first semester. We have 2018, 2017, down. So assuming I want to download past question, I don't even want to know which semester it is. I need all the past questions for a particular course. You come here and search with a course code. You don't just keep scrolling down or to open one. But if you want to download, let's say first semester 2019, you can simply touch it. You can simply touch it to select it. Then you use the download option immediately to download it. So when you touch it, you come here. Look at what I did. I just touch these three dots here. Then it opens. You will see download. You see download at the bottom, the last option here. Download. You can see that. So if I touch it now, it will download the entire past question for 2019 first semester. But let's say we want to search for a particular course. So you come here. Come to search and type that ACE413 and then search. The right arrow at the bottom right here. That's what you use to search. This blue button on your keyboard here. Yeah, I don't know the color of your own keyboard. Look at that. There are so many past questions here. Just for that ACE413. So what you need to do is to, let's say you want to download one, you open it, touch it to open it. Touch it to open it. Touch it twice, sorry. So look at this one is from 2017 first semester. From 2017 first semester. Print, you can use print. That's it. So it's printed in PDF. Look at that. When you say print, it converts it to PDF. So I made this video earlier with a computer. Now I'm using phone. So when you open a file like this and you want to download it, you can use this arrow here at the top right. You can use this arrow here or the print button. For the phone, I'll be using print button. The print button will download the file immediately, even without the actual name. So you have to rename it after so that you know which one is which. So you just touch it like this and that's it. It says I've downloaded it earlier, so it says whether I want to download it. I say yes. So look at that, it has been downloaded. So you just touch this open, and if you have this application we call the WPS Office, it will immediately open on your phone. If it's on your computer, there are many applications to open this. You can use Google Chrome to open a PDF. You can use any web browser these days to open that. And if you come up here, you will also see the file you downloaded. You can just touch the file name and it will open. The WPS Office will open it. Look at that. And that's July 2017. There's nothing so easy like that. You have to bend down and learn. And once you get it, it will become easier for you.